Why does my face look so fat? But what's up, what's happening, pimp? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, it's hot, and I am getting a new temporary steering wheel setup on the RSX. In my last video, I listed that I was gonna sell my RSX steering wheel, and that guy basically just bought it. So, yep, I got everything that I need for my steering wheel ordered already. I have to ship this off tomorrow. And having a homeboy like Randy, I didn't even ask him, can I use his steering wheel? But since this car is like down for a couple, I figured he'd let me use it for like a couple days so I can get my steering wheel set up in the mail. But yeah. God, I love that push start, dog. Nice, dude, nice. All right, so we at Randy's house. Now it's time to remove the bumper because when we're doing a steering wheel replacement, you need to remove the bumper for airbag. SRS. If you don't, that thing will move your bumper for airbag. Well, okay, you don't have to remove your bumper. I have to because my battery, I have a battery relocation kit that's under my passenger side headlight. So I have to remove my bumper. But you, if you have your RSX with the factory battery location, you just gotta unplug the negative and positive or disconnect the battery essentially. Because if you don't, that airbag might blow up in your face. And you don't want that to happen. So with me, I got these quick.
No, pop the hood, find it.
You would want me to pop my hood, huh? Fucking fish.
Take out the battery wire to the fuse box. That way you gonna pop, take the hood out.
Oh, look at Randy. For today's installer, we're gonna have Mr. Randy built, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So Randy's gonna take over the rest of the vlog about what to do. I know you have to take off these columns, and ever since I did my push to start, they never lined back up again. So, all right, Randy, walk us through the step, bro.
There's a cover right here on both sides. You pop that bitch out. I mean, my bad.
Nah, you can curse. It ain't no sponsor video.
Cool. There's a Torx bit screw right there.
Which is what, T?
I think it says T30. All that. Then there's another one.
Which I have right here in my handy dandy.
First, we gotta remove these two Phillips and this cruise control buttons.
Screwdriver right there. So the cruise control button. So I no longer have cruise control, so this is all coming off anyway. Well, the steering wheel is sold, so the guy's getting all of this stuff. Damn, it's hot, dog. I couldn't be a slave, bro. Hey, you think you could be a slave?
I am. I'm a slave to the white man.
I feel that, bro. I would say me too, but you know, I can't. I'm a slave to YouTube. YouTube, bro. I remember it used to be cool to say you were a YouTuber, bro. That feeling is gone. What do you do for work? Oh, I do YouTube. Then you ask a girl what she do for work. Oh, I do
OnlyFans.
Oh man. If there's any girls out there that do OnlyFans that want a YouTube boyfriend,
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with OnlyFans, hope.
hit me up. So we can put each other onto bigger and better things. I need a supercharger kit for the Integra. I need a turbo kit for the RSX.
What are you gonna put her on? Ain't shit like that before. I can't put out for shit.
She could just say she dated me. That's rare.
Alright, nigga.
That's an accomplishment.
I lied.
You always lying. What you lied about?
What that damn bolt was?
Oh, so it's on the other side.
Up top.
Torx bit right there. Now we're just gonna remove the Torx bit. Is it on just one side or both sides?
Both sides.
So both sides got Torx screws, which is always sometimes be a pain. Some people have an issue with these. We probably might have an issue with these.
I wish I had my socket.
We'll be right back. Here's a word from our sponsors.
I'm broke, bitch!
Randy's a genius. He used a socket with some other stuff. I don't know what he did, but he made it work. It's a nice shirt you got there, bro. Beautiful shirt. Shout out to the gang over at HR, bro. Yeah, it came out pretty simple. I know when I did it for the Integra the first time, she was a pain.
Because you did it, that's why.
Hey, bro, you can't be disrespecting me on camera. I'm gonna have to sleep your ass.
Oh, wow.
You ever heard of Nate Robinson? They're gonna be your twin brother. You're such a effing hoe. I love it. Wow. Hey, would you ever date a hoe?
Mm-hmm.
I think I would too, to be honest. Cause if you go in knowing that she's a hoe, you can't be upset if she do hoe things. I don't understand people. Like, if you date a famous girl, but you know she get around, and you get mad that she got around while she was with you.
That'll be me.
You can't be mad, bro. Hoes gonna be hoes, pimp.
Super facts.
You gotta let them hoe it up, dog. I can't wait to date a hoe. Can't wait.
I hope probably won't date you.
Facts, I'm gonna get left. I'm gonna fall in love with a hoe, she gonna leave me. I would be hurt, bruh. How you date a hoe and she end up leaving you? Like they say, once you go black, you never go back.
Now when it comes to you.
They never told any of my ex-girlfriends that. Oh shit, I'm finna get roasted. Anybody wanna buy this? $300. Randy and Zosh touched it. Signed. Let me know. Man, you're a beast, bro. Man, I need you to tighten it back up and loosen it so I can get on camera.
Fuck, I look like bitch.
You about to do it too? Oh man. All right, let's see if Randy can do it. Let's see if he's strong. Come on, strong guy. Wow, you can't get it off without just like beating it off? Wow, that's how you be in the bedroom? You be scared to beat her? Beat her, bro. Beat her. Oh yeah.
Man, shut the fuck up.
My bad, bro. I'm about to get demonetized anyway, dog.
That's already 2:36. Fuck, I gotta go to work tomorrow. Quit.
Alright, quit. I take care of you, bro. Work for Zosh MFG. Pays good money. No merch is out and things, but like, they pay good money. Man, he's focused. Damn, that boy's strong. Damn, daddy. Damn, Daniel. So, my temporary wheel setup for now that I'm going to be running, all thanks to Randy, is his Nardi wheel paired with this Checker Sports hub. I just ordered my hub today. Shout out to the dude that sold me it. I'll leave his name on the screen because I can't remember right now and I feel like an asshole if I don't say it. So I got a hub on the way and I'm gonna order a wheel. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna be running in the car so far. The whole gang runs 330 millimeter steering wheels because I found that to be the best wheel in my opinion, like size 330. So maybe one day I'll have some Zosh MFG steering wheels. Hey, would you buy one if I came out with Zosh MFG steering wheels? No? Why not, bro?
Well, why would I buy it?
You gotta support the homies.
You not support enough.
Wow. Hey, you gonna give me a wedding gift when I get married?
No.
Wow. Bro, you're the best, bro. Ooh, yeah, this thing, it's light too. And the Nardi paired with the Checker Sports hub is going on. Yeah, it's about straight. Ooh, solid, mate. Solid, dude. Woo, look at that. Shout out to Randy, man, for lending me his wheel until my hub and stuff come in the mail, man. Bro, it's always nice to have a Randy in your life, man, or a homeboy that looks out for you, dog. You know what I mean? Because me being the impulsive dumbass that I am, I would sell my steering wheel without having a steering wheel to replace it with. See, I just gotta stop saying shit in videos. Like, yeah, bro, I got a male RSX wheel I'm looking to sell. I wasn't really looking to sell it, but I sold it. And yeah, that's what it is. But right now, I'm on the way to Velocity Shop to pick up some hard race trailing arm bushings for the Integra. I'm doing suspension overhaul. I replaced pretty much everything bushing, suspension related, besides the trailing arm bushing. So shout out to the homies over at Velocity Shop for having the hard race stuff in stock. And we're gonna go pick that up right now. Got an hour commute, pretty much 30 minutes there, 30 minutes back type deal. And yeah, that's what's going on. player.
Yeah, like, right. I don't need all that extra. You can take it away. I don't need to find it. I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm straight.
I'm good. So she used to like, yo, Tim, you should just.
4:47, and I made it to Velocity Shop. Check out the core, bro. Y'all see the core? Peep the ice. Peep the drip, son. What's up, Mike?
Wait, you had trailing or bushings, right?
Yeah. Still the homies. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Woo! Shout out to the homie Driver as always, bro. Driver, that's my guy. Be sure to check out Velocity Shop. I have information on the screen and Instagram, their Instagram page down below. If you're in the Riviera Beach, Palm Beach area, you know what I mean, Jupiter, Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Vero Beach, bro. If y'all need a shop to go to, highly recommend Velocity Shop, bro. When it comes to hard race, they are the only supplier in Florida that supplies hard race. Don't quote me on that, but kind of do. If I'm right, quote me on that. But if I'm not, don't quote me. But I'm sure that they're the only Florida retailer supplier for hard race. So, yeah, just don't quote me on that. All right, it's time to get home.
I see how high I can go. Or I start to freestyle.
All right, so back at the cribbo, bibbo. You know what I do, bo? Yeah, brr. Quick update on Christina. She is spindleless. So I finally got around to installing my Home Development's front roll center correction kit, which is basically extended ball joints. What I'm gonna start doing tomorrow is removing the rear trailing arm bushings so I can install these hard race bag girls. Yeah. All I need now to have hard race everything is rear lower control arms and what else? Rear lower control and camber kits. And I have hard race, full hard race suspension. I opted for the hard rubber because I do plan on like still street driving my Integra. I didn't want to go the spherical route yet because, well, this is still a street car. So this is what we're going to be installing soon, boy. Ooh, get that proper alignment. Yeah. I got to get like corner balanced alignments and stuff like that. But all in all, that's just a quick update on the Integra. She is down right now. But that is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you sexy mother suckers. I hope you guys had a fantastic day today. I hope your girl texts you back. Huge shout out to Checker Sports for being dope. Be sure to check out Checker Sports. Show them some love and support. Yeah, man, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. Shout out to Randy again for allowing his Binoy to use his steering wheel until all my stuff forward in the mail. So, yep, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.